Okay, here I have my 2005 Volkswagen Golf TDI. It's a 4-door, and I got a headlight out and a tail light, and I'm going to be replacing my wiper switch also. Okay, so now I have my helper, my little kid. Can't see her, it's kind of, but she's gonna press on the brake pedal. See that light come on? That looks like the top one. The top one over here is not coming on. So I'll turn off the key. Replace this one real fast. Brand new bulb. Okay, turn the key back on and press the brake. Boom. There you go. All right, turn the lights on. Let off the brake. Is that thing on the right there? Turn the lights on. On the left, sorry. That dial right there that has like 2 positions. Right next to the steering wheel. There you go. Is the key on?
Yeah. What do you expect?
This thing.
What? Yeah,
This thing.
This thing. That's good.
Okay, turn it on. Oh, that's the tail light. That one works. Okay. Turn the blinker on, left blinker. Right blinker. Put it in reverse. Press down. Oh. Okay, reverse lights come on. I guess that bulb isn't used. This one down here is not used. So I'm gonna take this one out because it's not used. Yeah, neutral, lights off, key off. You turn the lights off?
Yes.
Okay. So this slot isn't used, I guess. All right. So let me put this back in here. Oh yeah, it's even blocked off in here. I don't know if you can see that. It's blocked off. Slide this back in. Past all this crap. Get in there. Get in there. What is going on here? Okay. Get it back in there and it'll click into place. Should click back into place. There you go. Bam. I think it's not in the right spot. What is going on? There it is. Click, clicky, clicky. What's this? Some more treasure. Let's leave that in there. And close it back up. And that's it. So I have an extra bulb. I'm just gonna keep it in here in case it happens again. Right in this spot, right by this little thingy. Actually, I'm gonna take this out. Just because. I'm gonna leave that right there. Spare storage.